How to add KPIs in ClickUp. So first go to ClickUp, then click on the search bar here at the top. Search for template. Now click on Open Template Center. Now from here, you just need to click on the search bar again and then search for KPI. Now from here, just choose among the options here that you're going to use or that you need. So for example, I want to use this one. Click on it. Next is just click on Use Template. Then name your KPI list name. So I'll just name this KPI example. And then choose where you're going to add this. So I'll just add this to my team space and projects. Then if you want to import everything, you can do that. You can also customize the import items. So as for the project dates, you can import it as is or remap the dates. And as for the if you want to include archive tasks, you can you also have other options here. So I'll just choose no, and then just click on Use Template. Then wait for it. Okay, now it's here. Just to check, click on it, and there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.